What is up, guys? Matt Paolini here, and we're going to kick off the new year 2017 with this unboxing WWE Signature 14 John Cena figure. So here's the back of it. We have Bray Wyatt, Daniel Bryan, Batista, Dean Ambrose, and of course Hulkamaniac Hulk Hogan. So here we go. With the unbox, let's put the belt down, guys. It's pretty cool and awesome figure. Signature 14. That's awesome. Pretty super duper rare. Really like it a lot, guys. Yep. Now he's out of it. There he is, guys. Pretty cool. He's out of the box. Signature Series 14. This is a pretty cool figure looking. So what a way to kick off 2017 with an unboxing, and that was it, guys. So I hope you all enjoy your new year 2017, your first new year 2017. And guess what? Next Saturday is my birthday. So please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for 2017, the first year of Matt Paolini's new year. Peace out, guys. See ya. Hope you all enjoy the video.